In this video, you will see exactly how Minexa.ai turns any website into structured data, making it easy to scrape the food product catalog you need. I am navigating to the aldi.com.au page that already shows the data I want. Then, open Minexa.ai from the toolbar with one single click. With Minexa.ai open, click the violet button, and it detects the main content blocks for the food product catalog. That quickly, Minexa.ai picked up how results are paginated on this site. At this point, decide if the list is enough, or if Minexa.ai should open every product's detail page. Default is Continue, Advanced if a form needs submitting, or a filter clicking before results appear. See that highlighted block? Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai figures out every data field, ready to reuse at scale. Every piece of data is ready. Just pick the fields you want to include, like product names, prices, and availability from the food catalog. If you are a developer, click API Request and copy working Python code. Everything is pre-filled and ready to integrate quickly. Finalize and save by hitting Complete Configuration to lock in your scraper setup. Minexa.ai found the pagination button on its own, so the full result sec is covered on every run without extra work. Click Complete Setup to save the job, or set a schedule here before you do. Hit Run, and the job starts straight away, pulling all the food product listings from the page efficiently. Every value here is exactly what was on the page at the moment it was scraped. Nothing was interpreted or changed. You get raw data like product names, prices, descriptions, and availability from Aldi's food product catalog. Download your results. The file is ready to open in any spreadsheet tool straight away for easy analysis or reporting. Set it up once, and Minexa.ai collects data from any similar page forever. Developers get a stable scraper ID and structured JSON, no retraining needed each run.